Hey everybody, we have a haul today. Just some random things and some replacement items and some canning supplies. So if you're new to the channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. We do all kind of stuff. So first I have a big jug of peanut oil that I got on Amazon on Subscribe and Save. The Subscribe and Save is pretty reasonable, but they are running out of a lot of stuff. I am noticing that. I got a replacement can of green enchilada sauce. I use that a lot. We got some winter vegetables and greens seeds. And I am still buying supplies for next year's garden. We are very low on Scotch tape, so I got some of that. Look through, see what you need around your house. I used a box of Hush Puppy mix, or a package, so I got a replacement, and I got 2 boxes of the Tony Chachere's Crispy Creole Hush Puppy. Get some variety going. I got 2 pouches of tuna. One is the jalapeno and the other is hot buffalo. I got 4 jars. These are from Target. The tuna was from Target. I got 4 jars of gravy. I got a classic chicken, savory beef, mushroom, and pork. And we can do all kinds of stuff with that. I got some queso blanco cheese dip sauce stuff. We got some cinnamon swirl. This is really good as a coffee cake for in the morning with coffee. We got an angel food cake. Angel food cake is expensive. We got a spice cake mix. I hear that these are getting hard to find. And a strawberry cake mix. We got some Idaho Spuds. I have a bunch of those little small containers that I'm going to be putting into half-gallon mason jars. I got a box of those yesterday. We got some Fritos because I used a bag. We like to have Frito chili pie and use those in other recipes. Got some barbecue chicharrones, pork skins for just snacking. Got a big jug of salsa just to have a backup to the backups in case I don't get enough tomatoes for salsa, but we're keeping our fingers crossed that we'll have plenty of tomatoes. I used a chocolate frosting, so I'm replacing that. I got some pineapple tidbits, some seasoned southern style green and Walmart still has the cases on sale, though they are $1 more than they were. Got some Nashville hot chicken seasoning, and I'm going to create a Nashville hot recipe with this, with our chicken in the can, or your home canned chicken. I'm gonna figure that out, some Nashville hot chicken. I got 3 bags of black-eyed peas because my husband is out, so I need to can those up for him. Got 3 boxes of dark brown sugar. I use that mostly in his granola. I got 2 4-packs of tuna fish. We got some dog shampoo. I have a dog with really bad allergies, so I try and keep a variety of shampoos on hand for the dogs. If you take care of their health, their basic needs, keep them clean, keep their ears good, get them dental chews, things like that, you can prevent having a lot of issues. Dogs are being dumped like crazy. I work in dog rescue, and I'm just not taking dogs right now. I mean, a lot of my fosters were sent to Canada, but right now there's just people are not adopting and can't afford dogs, and it's getting bad out there. So please don't dump your dog. If you're having issues, please get rid of it the right way. But rescues don't have the money for food, and food's getting hard to find. It's just a terrible situation. My husband was cleaning the electric smoker and asked if we had scrub pads, and we do not. So I got a package of Scotch-Brite scrub pads, and I got a box of the Brillo pads. So you never know what you may or may not be missing, so check around and go, oh yeah, probably need those. I got a 4-pound bag of sugar. That seems to be the most common way they're selling it now. And I'm still using the canner, so it's still out. And I got a box of the 4-ounce ball jars to do my bacon bits. So, anyways, that's my haul for today. I'm going to put all this away and start repackaging the hash browns and can some more stuff. Probably some sweet potatoes. Get white potatoes peeled for a project. And I still have blackberries to deal with. I just picked more. And I got my first 2 pickling cucumbers today. They're coming in like crazy. So I'll be making probably small batch pickles here soon as cucumbers are coming in. It's wish they'd all just do it at once, but it is what it is. But I'm grateful for whatever I get. So, and the green beans are coming in, and the jalapenos and the tomatoes. So we're starting to produce some stuff, so that's exciting. So anyways, you all stay safe, you stay healthy. We're going into 100+ degrees here for the next 7 to however many days. I know the 7-day forecast, we're in the hundreds and above, so it doesn't look like any rain. So anyways, you all stay safe, you stay healthy, you stay cool out there. I'll be doing a video on staying cool in this heat, just in case we have rolling power outages. So I will put that one out before I put this one out. So anyways, you all take care, and I will see you in the next video.